and a minster. Well, it sure has been a while. I heard through the grapevine that you took a walk down the aisle. So it's true then. Oh yeah, I remember him. From grade 9 geometry, his glasses had tape on the rim. So now you're a housewife with a place in Lake Cascade, and your husband's an architect. It sounds like you've really got it made. Is that your daughter in that picture? She's got your pretty eyes blue. She got your crescent moon smile and that curly blonde hair just like you. For me, I'm not married, at least not anymore. I couldn't pay all of her bills from the factory floor. I spent time in the army, where they taught me how to fight, until I came to my senses and I saw that it just wasn't right. That's alright though, I've got a dog and a bungalow. I can sit on my porch and just watch the old sycamore grow. Well, thanks for coming. Now it's time for me to go. I wish you the best for another 10 years down the road. And your husband's an architect. It sounds like you've really got it made. Is that your daughter in that picture? She's got your pretty eyes blue. She got your crescent moon smile and that curly blonde hair just like I'm not married, at least not anymore. I couldn't pay all of her bills from the factory floor. I taught me how to fight. Until I came to my senses and I saw that it just wasn't right. That's alright though, I've got a dog and a bungalow. I can sit on my porch and just watch the old sycamore grow. Well, thanks for coming. Now it's time for me to go. I wish you the best for another 10 years down the road.